First step. Open ChatGPT in your device. Now you write there. Write me a video script of 1,400 words. Second step. Now you see ChatGPT give me one script about animated lion story. Step 3. You can see. He give me video script into Urdu, but I need into English. So there again, just I write into English, and ChatGPT give me now this all video script into English. Step 4. Now I copy to there some points and go into Google and search there. Step 5. Search on Google. Capcut Video Editor, it's free. Step 6. Open the Capcut and click to there. Capcut of logo. You can see here is showing logo of Capcut. You can see to top of logo, now in this logo on. You click just one. Step 7. Now you can see guys. There is all functions of secrets. Capcut are open nearby your eyes. Step 8. Now I am going script to video and just one click there. Step 9. Now you can see there is open now. On my one-click generate video script, now I input there my all script or paste which kind of video or reels I need. Step end. Now you can see the all final steps by step to your eyes if you like this tips tutorial or education or video. So subscribe my channel, Digitize with Ayoub for unlimited new contents. I will stop this video of voice, but you can now set the video result to here and do export and download this video in your laptop, mobile phone, or any device. Now you see how to. I download step by step free to here. Thanks for the like and watching video. Subscribe now. For more free videos, photos generate or editing easy contents. Wait, video is download now in result 4K. Okay, now I can open this video and check you. Everything is free, so like and subscribe channel Digitize with Ayoub for more 2025 new tips or contents. Now you can check its very easy content how to I create, make or generate video or reels to Capcut free. Subscribe and press the bell icon on all notification all videos.